Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Drawbridge Finance. My name is Levi Woods, and I am not a financial advisor. This is an opinion channel only, and I try to make it so that you guys can learn some new things and learn some tools that may help your investing. Today, a question came up on one of my videos regarding Google Finance and the gain column, the percentage gain column, and the days gain column in Google Finance. So looking at the portfolio. I thought I would do a quick little video this morning talking about these different columns. So really we're going to focus on this area right here, the gain percentage and days gain, and just how they relate to the actual price of the stock. I've set up this mock portfolio. If we look at Apollo Investment Corp, we can see that the days gain is $7.80. That's the value increase of the amount of shares that you're actually holding. So in this case, the share price of $5.99 has gone up 3 cents, and you have 260 shares. So this 3 cents times 260 is equal to $7.80. So the day's gain is correlated to the amount of increase of the price of the share times the amount of shares. So going down, if we look at Canadian Bank Corp, you can see that there's been zero change. So there's 0 days gain. But since we purchased it, this market value has actually dropped. So Canadian Bank Corp is today trading at $12.31. We originally bought 156 shares and we paid more money than that. So the cost basis is just about $2,000, and the present market value of $19.20 is calculated based on $12.31 times 156 equals 1920. The total gain since we purchased is the difference between the cost basis and the market value. So this gain column is since you purchased the stock. Let's jump down to the bottom, and you can see I've got a couple of stocks here, Amazon, General Electric, and 3M, and I don't actually have any transaction data in here. They're just on my portfolio list, but because there's no transactional data, none of the other information is filled out. Really what it's showing us is the current price and how much it's gone up today, or in General Electric's case, how much it's gone down. Let's do one more. So Brookfield Real Estate, the current price is $15.99. Today it's gone up 4 cents. In our holdings, we have 124 shares. We paid originally $19.95 for them. They're currently worth $19.84. So the gain since we purchased is $11 loss. The percentage gain is, again, the whole value. So we're talking about original investment, the cost basis, and percentage-wise market value. And then the days gain, again, relates back to how many shares we have, 124, and how much that's gone up. So 4 cents times 124 gives us the $6.20 days gain. Subsequently, we'll do Common Air REIT, currently trading $13.49, gone up 5 cents. So 5 cents increase times the 135 shares that we have, that gives us our $6.75 increase for the day. The overall gain or loss in this case is the original market price or the cost basis of $19.90, and then the today's value, the market value, is $18.21, is minus $169. So this overall return is in relationship to the percentage gain. You can see that they correlate, 851 and 851, 378, 378. So hopefully that gives you guys an idea of how the gain columns, percentage gain columns, and days gain columns work. Now, as another bonus, I want to show you guys something about the cash. Now, in this particular mock portfolio, every time these stocks pay a dividend, I have them going into this cash account. So what that does is it shows the value in dollars of the dividends that we've paid. And it's interesting because this portfolio, we originally paid $19,737. And because it's been paying this dividend, our total value is $19,748. So we actually have a little bit more money. We've made $11, not a lot, but $11 more today than when we originally purchased. That's quite interesting because in this total column, it actually shows a negative of $709, and it shows a negative here of 3.6%. This is one of the features that in Google Finance doesn't work quite right in my mind, because when we make money, why is this showing as a negative? It's also one of the reasons I don't use this cash portion of the software. I just have that dividend reporting turned off in my transactions window. Hopefully that answers the question. And if you guys have any other questions about finances, please leave a comment in the comment section below. And remember to like this video. It really helps out my channel. Let's get rich together.